Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'll be unboxing JCWINGS 200 PIA Boeing 747-300 in their 2005 livery. Let's get into it.
पहली उड़ान PIA के जहाज में मेरे वतन की यादों में रहता हूँ। दिल की पहली उड़ान आसमां की बुलंदियों में मैं पाकिस्तान का झंडा मेरे दिल में रहता है।
So our box is very unique. We have our Boeing 747-300 logo at the top with our PIA logo in the middle. Our beautiful Boeing 747 aircraft design with our white, dark green stripe and beige color with our 1:200 scale logo at the bottom. At the back, we don't have a main design. We just have a beige color with a JCWINGS logo. Nothing else interesting on the box, but the front is definitely very amazing to me. So let's get into the unboxing. We'll remove our cover. What a beautiful aircraft. So we'll remove our plastic on top. In this kit we have our main landing gear down, as well as our landing gear up doors with 2 sticks for our engine fan blades. We have our one built-in pre-built stand with the PIA logo, Boeing 747-300, and then our scale 1:200. Alright, so I'm going to try to take this out. The one fragile thing about this model is that the antennas on the wingtip are very, very fragile, so I don't want to go ahead and bend it. So here it is, the beautiful 747. My all-time favorite livery. So we'll go ahead and put in our main landing gears on, and then we'll start with our amazing up-close review. So we have our gears here. I'll go one by one and take each of them out. These ones are also magnetic, so they are easy to put on. Unfortunately, these ones, I realize that the front gear doesn't move. Actually, never mind, it does. So the front gear is 360 rotatable, but the gears itself don't move. So let's try to fit these in the correct spot. This one goes here. This one here. And then our this one, no, this one goes here, and then our right one. So as you can see, the gears do move up and down, which is very nice, but unfortunately the gears and the tires don't move. Actually, this one does. These ones move, but these ones are fixed in. Here we have it. Looks amazing with the gears on. So we'll put our stand on the aircraft. Here it is. What a beautiful model. I love the design, I love the livery on this. It's very unique. I know a lot of people don't really like this livery, but It's the livery that I grew up with, and it's my all-time favorite, so beautiful. So at the front, we can definitely see why the Boeing 747 is an eye-catching aircraft. Definitely beautiful. Our front nose cone design with our detailed cockpit windows, our passenger windows as well with our passenger doors. Same here at the top. We have our PIA logo in Urdu, our PIA name, our white color in the front with our dark green stripe moving into the beige color into the back. We have our antenna as well as our beacon light. Same with our registration. At the front we have Foxtrot Victor, and then our front gear does move as well. I also realized that there is a gem built in for the landing lights as well. Same over here on the wing. And then we have our antenna at the bottom as well. And then our engine fan blades do move as well, so I'll give you guys a close-up look on that. So we'll give our two engine fan blades a test. So our engine number 2 does move, and then we'll try engine number 1. And yeah, this one moves as well. This one is just a bit more stiff, but definitely either way, very nice detail on the engines. So as you can see on the top right wing, we have our registration built in. We have our dark green stripe with the beige color moving into the back of the aircraft until the tail. We have our registration as well, Alpha Papa, Bravo, Foxtrot Victor. Our passenger windows with our passenger doors. Very detailed wingtip antennas as well. I'll try to give an up-close look on that. That's one feature I really like on the 747-300, especially JCWINGS' design on these details on the antenna. Our beautiful Pakistan flag on the tail. One thing I realized is the tail, the color is really dark. I'm not too sure if in the real life it should be a bit more lighter. I realized that even in Skymarks, when they released the 777-200ER, it had the same dark black color. If they made it just a bit more lighter, it would have been more better, but either way, I love it. So we have our same design on the right hand side. We have our detailed exhaust, our beautiful Pakistan flag with the beige color, our registration, our passenger doors, and then our passenger windows. We also can see our flaps design as well. We have our registration here, very detailed on the flaps. Our engines as well, very detailed. And then moving into the front of the aircraft, we have our beacon light, gem antenna, and then our PIA name, PIA logo, and then nose gear, and then our cargo doors as well. Definitely looking at this aircraft face to face, it looks magnificent. Our design on the cockpit, our PIA logo is visible as well, and then our passenger windows. We can even move our nose gear. And definitely perfect design. And we can move our main landing gears up and down as well. And then we can see a bit of reflection on the landing lights as well. So underneath this aircraft, there's not really much besides our white color at the front with our dark green line with our beige color moving into the back. We have a bit of antennas as well as our beacon light. We have our stand, our gears as well, cargo doors, antenna. We have some detail here at the back as well, and then our APU design. So here we have our detailed wing antenna at the back. sometimes the models comes with a bit of a cover, like a styrofoam cover at the end to protect it, but unfortunately this one did not come with it. So I try to be very careful and very fragile of this small antenna, but no doubt the design that it's built in inside the wing is phenomenal. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this beautiful PIA Boeing 747-300 model by JCWINGS 200. No doubt my all-time favorite livery. I love it so much. I don't have it in 1:400 scale. I believe that the only livery that they made of this on the 747 is in 1:200 scale. I can't recall it being in 1:400, but either way, I am very lucky to have this model. I love it. It's very heavy, very detailed, and no doubt a special model in my collection. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my daily PIA model reviews. Well, thank you guys once again, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.